Hey, don't tell my wife, but that one ton I brought home, she was a stripper. Look at her. Doesn't she look good naked? Welcome back to Half A Hot Rods. We're working on the mystery truck today, and fella showed up to buy some body parts off it with a Suburban and a little trailer. So we're gonna try and get these loaded up. Might be interesting for you to watch.
Hydraulic leak, doesn't it?
Yep. So it doesn't want another 200 pounds on it.
Yeah, never. Okay, yeah.
It'll be fine.
You're about
His roof definitely doesn't want 200 pounds on it.
I think you're being generous by calling it 200 pounds.
Yeah, I think we are too. That's good.
Make sure you go. Do you think this thing will slide on these 2x4s?
Oh yeah. Yeah, just we can't go far because the bucket's in the way.
Alright. Here, let's get the tractor
Oh
out.
yeah. Maverick, go grab that camera. Make sure we got this footage of this shenanigans. I think you guys do this stuff all the time too.
Well,
yeah.
That clarifies it.
This is a new level. Oh really?
Usually we don't have a tractor.
We're finding the new heights here. Yeah. Got lots of work, right?
Oh yeah.
Here, Maverick, go grab the 2x4 on the other side.
Oh yeah, that's perfect.
I'm gonna go up a little bit more.
So I can do, want to go forward a little more?
Good.
Dude, that looks like it was meant to be there.
Yep, good. Hope you got a plan on the other side.
What do you mean?
To
Get it off.
Get it off.
Oh, yeah. That's going to have to be manpower. I don't know how we're going to do that yet, but...
Oh, you're going to have to get a case of beer and some friends, huh?
Yeah, going to have to. That's the kind of plan I like. We'll figure it out when we get there. Right.
An what do they call those hoists? An A-frame hoist or whatever?
Yeah.
Yeah, but you have to
have a really tall one. Most
Yeah.
of them are not tall enough to do that. Yeah, all my friends are usually pretty short. Yeah. Yeah, well,
You want to strap this guy down and.
Yeah, trying to figure out how I'm going to do this. I haven't figured that part out yet either, so.
Okay.
Just go as it goes, you know?
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm thinking you're gonna have to go over the back door to the frame. Is the only thing.
I don't know. You could go to the roof rack. I just don't know. Those are
Then the
not-
roof rack and the bed will fly
I
off.
took the roof rack off that Blazer, and I can tell you that they're not super heavy duty.
It's got a bumper on one strap from the bumper all the way back to the fridge.
Add this clear to the front bumper to the rear bumper.
I thought about doing that. Actually, you know what? I might do that.
You can do this one and that one.
Yeah.
That's how I used to hook the canoe onto my truck.
Yeah, this is just like a canoe.
I'm almost set it a couple times out.
No,
We don't need that.
You tight over there?
Yeah.
Get jammed in there. Just don't start it. I don't think it's gonna go anywhere. Do one more notch.
Your 2x4s are flexing now, so. Those fenders weren't supposed to go in the back of the Suburban.
I was
were
gonna put them in there, but
I say it was
I can stuff everything in
they?
there.
All right.
Remember, it's not bolted down.
Yeah, that cab will rock. I picked it up a side of it by myself. Well, I don't know how much of that you missed because my cameraman fell down on the job. Same guy that thinks it's okay to drive Blazers through the forest. But here's the current situation. Got a strap there, a strap there. We're getting strapped down back here. It's fine. It's all fine. It's going to be good. It's going to be fine. Oh no. We may have damaged the tweaker fifth wheel. That's fine.
Where do you want to hook? Under this piece of
She'll ride.
See if that's all the way.
Yeah. Do what you got to do, right? So I started editing this video last night after we got all done with the shenanigans of the day, and I was thinking, wow, that was pretty sketchy stuff. But really, that's kind of what this channel is all about, is doing the best you can with what you have. Is a single axle trailer with little bitty tires on it and a half-ton Suburban really the right way to haul almost an entire truck home? Probably not. Would that have made a trooper's head explode had they stopped him? Oh yeah, yeah. But I did get a message from that fella last night telling me he made it all the way home, like a 3.5 hour drive. Unloaded, it was a 3.5 hour drive. I don't know how long it took him loaded. But he did make it all the way home, got all his parts and pieces home, and he was happy with the trade we made. And that was another part of it, is neither one of us made any money on that deal. We actually just traded pieces. So he went home with pickup bed, fenders, cab, all the guts inside. I didn't take any of that out. Body mounts, exhaust, because I don't think we'll be using that on any of our project. And I got this, which I need to move inside. That is an NV 4500 and transfer case and drive lines out of, I think he said it was a 96. Out of a 96 one-ton Chevrolet four-wheel drive. So, do I have a project that could go in? Yes, but it's not exactly the right piece. So, we'll probably end up selling that. Like I said before, that deal was kind of a partnership between Maverick and I. So, we'll leave it up to him whether he wants to sell it or hang on to it for something else. And then, this is what I was left with. My stripped down chassis, which is for another project. So we'll pull the busted core support off. I won't throw the drive lines away yet, but they probably won't work for what I'm doing. Gas tank I will more than likely use. Bumpers I probably won't use. But really, everything I've got here should be usable for my next project and will provide me with disc brakes up front, one-ton suspension, which, yes, probably going to use the one-ton suspension because it may or may not be a truck. So that's coming soon. We'll let you guys in on the secret there. But I think it went well for everybody involved. We both got something out of it. Neither one of us spent any money. Actually, all three of us got something out of it. Maverick's going to come out of it pretty good, probably better than anybody because he's making a little cash on the deal. The fellow that took the body part said he's building his dream truck, so it's kind of cool to be able to help out with that. And what I intend to do with this is going to be really cool too. So just remember, you don't have to have all the money, you don't have to have all the tools, which, you know, like a 20-foot flatbed trailer would have been perfect for that. But he made do with what he had and got the job done, and now he can keep working on his project. So that's kind of what we're about. Until next time, thanks for watching. Check us out on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. And remember, if I can do it, and if that other guy can do it, you can do it. Thanks for watching.